For decades, energy used to be cheap and reliable. In the past few years, things have changed, and most European businesses now face three challenges: rising cost of energy, the challenge of net zero, and potentially unreliable supply. Even with new investments and all the incentives, there is still a 60 gigawatt generation shortfall to meet European demand in the next 6 years. 60 gigawatt is the equivalent to the output of 60 plus nuclear power stations. So how can major energy users in Europe stay profitable with rising energy costs with a supply that may become unreliable? Businesses know that inaction is not an option. Some businesses are trying on-site renewables to generate and save energy. However, due to the intermittency of green renewables, it lacks the stability required by most industrial processes. On-site renewables also come with very high upfront cost and very long delivery times. Some businesses have explored participating in flexibility programs to generate new revenue streams, but they realize they lack the specialist expertise to navigate the complex markets. With energy infrastructure to meet demand still decades away and with cost rising every day, how do we keep the lights on? Perhaps the answer is not more generation, but using the existing infrastructure smarter. And that is the mission of OakTree Power.
If you want to make an immediate impact to the cost of your energy and achieving your net zero goals, there are three things that you need to do. Firstly, you need to change your relationship with energy consumption. You need to be smarter about what you consume and when you consume it. Secondly, you need to work with national and regional grid operators so that when they have too much demand, you can make up the shortfall. Thirdly, you need to make sure that these changes happen every single day, reliably and safely. With OakTree Power, you can do these three things almost immediately. OakTree Power's solution monitors, analyzes, and optimizes your electrical consumption in near real time. We do this through a combination of our bespoke hardware, our cloud software, and our energy expertise. Combining these allows us to make micro-adjustments to your electrical assets. A micro-adjustment is a temporary, small change to the running of your electrical device. This tiny change, when stacked up with other adjustments, adds up to make a large difference on your electrical consumption, but with no impact on your business operation. Our micro-adjustments are tailored to your business processes. We make sure they run within your parameters and you retain full control over your electrical assets. For a typical client, we save them a minimum of 2 months of their electricity bill. Let me give you 2 examples of micro-adjustments. The first example is with a steel mill we work with. One of the micro-adjustments we've made is with their air scrubbing units. These units run periodically throughout the day, filtering out toxic fumes. We made those units run slightly slower than normal, but still guaranteeing they hit the safety measures they needed to be efficient. By doing this micro-adjustment, along with many others, we allow them to save large amounts of energy every single day. The second example is with a large office building in London. One of the micro-adjustments we've made is to do with their heating. So just by reducing their heating slightly throughout the day, we can make large changes to their energy consumption. And the occupants don't know anything is happening because the temperatures remain the same throughout the day.
The benefits are clear from day one. The OakTree Power solution is at no cost to you and requires 0 downtime to install. We simply work for your existing infrastructure and there's no change to your existing energy supply contract. Our solution is also 100% cyber secure. You start saving from day one and we split those savings with you. It gets better. Our solution is at no cost to you, and you can get paid. Electricity network operators will pay you for reducing your consumption when they struggle to cope with demand. They pay you for simply being on standby, and then when they do require you to reduce your consumption, they will pay you a bonus payment for participating. For every kilowatt reduced, you're also going green, because there's no corresponding carbon footprint to offset or reduce. By making those micro adjustments to your energy consumption, you're already saving 2 out of 12 months of your energy bill. Imagine shaving another 3 months of your energy bill by participating in flexibility programs. The OakTree Power solution will match your energy demand in real time with paying programs and find the most beneficial programs. From baselines to billing, this is all possible through the OakTree Power solution. We remove the market complexity, allowing you to focus on your core business. And we make sure that we maximize your revenue.
You can get started with this immediately. All you have to do is get in touch with us and provide us with 12 months of your previous energy consumption data and an electrical bill. Then, we'll do a technical and commercial analysis showing you exactly how much you can save and make. Next, we'll sign a contract and install our hardware on your estate. No bulky, huge boxes on the wall, just a small panel that can go in your control room. And that's it. Once our equipment is installed, you immediately start seeing the benefits.
So get in touch with OakTree Power today, so you can save on cost and CO2 and get paid for doing so.